Hi everyone, I'm Lori Best. I teach 7th grade computer science here at Hastings Middle School. And I wanted to make a quick video in case you weren't able to come to open house, just to tell you a little bit about what is this class and what do we need. All right. As I said, I'm Lori Best. I've been teaching here at the middle school for about 20 years, taught mostly math, but in the last 5 years or so, I've transitioned over to technology and computer science. So as we go out and travel through the year learning, you're going to probably hear a lot of stories about my kids, my grandkids, especially my dog, how much I love my garden and making things. But we're really going to dive into computer science. So, what is this? Where did it come from? And what on earth are we going to do? Well, about 5 years ago, I had the opportunity to go out to Phoenix and get trained on teaching this curriculum. It's through code.org, totally free to schools. It's excellent, just absolutely excellent. So, this first unit, we'll do some STEM activities, some problem solving, and then we get into investigating some apps and kind of breaking down how do they work. Your first project will be coming up with a new idea for an app. Is it going to be something that kind of does what an existing app does, but it does it better or differently? Or is it a totally new idea? Very cool. Unit 2, then we dive into websites and web design. Your student will learn how to create a website totally from scratch, any topic you want. That's the cool part is we get the techie stuff along with the creativity, put it all together. Then we take a little break from the programming on code. We come out to a place called Sphero and use our amazing robots to do some fun activities. Has a great LED screen that you can program and animate. There's also sound effects available that will play through your Chromebook, and of course, motion and travel. So we'll spend a few weeks with our robots. Then we'll hop over to a website called Scratch. Some of you might be familiar with that one, but that was developed by MIT and a way to allow students to learn some programming in a very intuitive way. So we'll do a little bit of like gaming programming there. Then we'll come back to code.org and get into animations and then everybody's favorite game development and game design. Also, I want to incorporate something with artificial intelligence. Haven't figured out exactly how we'll embed that in, but we'll think of something. It's all brand new and pretty cool, kind of frightening at the same time, but very cool. So, what do you need for class? Well, positive attitude because whether you think you like technology or not, um, I'm guessing a lot of you have not learned how to program yet. And that's the bit. I get to teach you how everyone can learn to program. Something to write with and a notebook. Yes, we do some writing and things in a journal. So I ask that you bring some sort of notebook. We leave it here in class. That way, you don't have to worry about, oh, I forgot it in my locker. Oh, rats, I forgot it was a B day. I have computer science today. That's all right. It doesn't have to be a brand new one. If you have a leftover one from last year and it still has a decent amount of paper in it, take out those front pages, bring it on, we'll use it here. Oh, and of course, a Chromebook. We kind of need a computer to do computer science, right? Yeah. Everything's available in Schoology and code.org. All right. So in those first weeks, we'll get everybody set up in their code.org accounts. And then all of the other lessons and things are also available in Schoology as well. So I'm excited for this year and excited to meet you on these first days that are coming up. I hope you enjoy the balance of these last few days of summer break, and I will see you next week.